I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey LaBuzz, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with a voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. The density is 150 and it is 10 inches long, and as you guys can see, it is a straight bob. Right here I'm cutting and flat ironing the unit. I did say that the back was messed up, but the back isn't actually going to be messed up, but I'm going to go into more details about that later on in the video. If you are interested in more details and specs and all that good stuff about the unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye! Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to okay y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit I am rocking now, honey, I hope this is the right unit. I ended up my Gmail is not working, so I ended up having to go on the site and find what I think is the same unit. It says Donmily Ombre highlighted pre-plucked 13x4 lace front wig straight bob. It's 150% density. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some details and specs about this unit. It says hair type straight bob wig, cap size average, color ombre. The length that is available is 8 to 14 inches. It says 1 piece, density 150. Swiss lace bleach knots, bouncy look. Blah blah. Okay, so those are the details and specs that I have. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the unit that they sent me, I think the unit that I asked for at least was 10 inches, and I think that's what they sent me, but I'm not 100% sure. I did end up cutting the bob, but I'm gonna have to cut it some more, and I will get into that more in the outro. But right here, we're gonna talk about the construction. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. As they stated, it's a 13 by 4, so it doesn't go back very far. Actually, it stops right here, so keep that in mind. The density is 150, which you guys know I do prefer for my bobs density to be 150 or less. And what else I want to say? I feel like the hairline looks decent, especially for a bob. Like, I think it looks good, and I think that the parting space is decent as well. Yeah, and as far as shedding and tangling, prior to me cutting it, it wasn't shedding. I've been getting some shedding now though, so I don't know. And there is literally no tangles with this wig. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the construction. Obviously, I don't have to do a length check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Hey y'all, I love hair that is this color. Like, this is just my color, honey, all day, every day. Like, I love a good they said ombre, but I'd say streak. I love hair that's this color. I just feel like it's very flattering. It's very summertime. I just really like this type of color. Now, what I don't like is a certain type of bob. Like, I have a very short neck, so I like for my bobs to be a certain length, and even this is a little too long. So I came up with the grand idea that I'm gonna cut it like I've been doing, but this one was layered in a way. I don't know how to describe it, but anyways, when I got to cutting, there are pieces in here that are way too short, and under it was long, and I don't know what I did, girl. So I'm gonna have to go back through it and recut it, but it's on my head now, and my husband isn't here to help me, so I couldn't do it now. But you guys, it's not really noticeable until you see the back. When you see the back, that's when it's noticeable. And yeah, but the bob didn't come like that. I did that. So keep that in mind when I'm doing the full 360 and you see like those layers. The bob comes basically, it seems to be all one length, but you know how some bobs have underneath it, it's like a little stacked look. I don't know how to explain it, but that is a thing sometimes. But you guys will see what I mean when I do my full 360. But as far as the wig in itself, I think it is gorgeous. I love this color. I love this bob, and this unit is affordable because, if I'm not mistaken, honey, it is $87. So it's under $100, and it's a really nice unit. Now, what length is that? Okay, yeah, 8 inches, which is probably what I should have got, is $87, and 10 inches is $97. So yeah, I like it. I am not mad at it whatsoever. I think it is an entire look. Even the fact that I messed it up in the back with, you know, lengthwise, which isn't a big deal to me because, like I said, that is more so the length that I wanted anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to go back through it and just cut it and make it even. But I think this unit is really nice. I think it is like, it's some good Chrissy swag. I just bleached my eyebrows again. So I feel like everything just matches well, and I am feeling it. So let me know down below if you're feeling it. Do you like this color? Like, let me know down below what you think. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys saw it. Y'all saw it. You like, girl, but whatever, I'ma fix it. Worry about yourself, honey. Okay, worry about yourself. I tell you guys all the time that I am nobody's beautician, and honey, I can't even part straight, let alone cut. So that's why I'm always hoping that a unit will be the length that I need it to be, especially when I'm dealing with bobs. But honey, they never are. They never are. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like this unit is more big head friendly than not, and it only comes available in the average cap size. And I do feel like this leans more towards a medium to large head friendly versus small to medium head friendly. So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Look at me wrapping things all the way up. Go, Chris. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, and as well as information about the hair down below in the description box. So definitely check that out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.